Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I am excited to unbox and give y'all my first impressions of the OnePlus Open, their first folding phone. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, do not adjust your screen, do not reset it. This is the OnePlus Open that I decided to pick up from their website. Yes, it is OnePlus's first folding phone. We will open the box, we will see what you get in it. I might even show y'all and give y'all my first impressions after, using it for a little bit. We can go over the specs and everything, but I don't know if you can hear in my voice, but I am excited to actually use this phone. It will add to my arsenal. I have the Z Fold 5. I actually have their sister company. This is the Find N2. And then I have a couple other flips around here, like my Motorola Razr Plus. And then back there is the Z Flip 5. So just add to the arsenal. I'm glad OnePlus came out with it. Let's get into this unboxing now. You will be shocked. I know we used to unboxings being kind of boring, but they actually have some good stuff in this box. But look at the presentation, bigger than my whole screen there. OnePlus Open. Bam. Now it says do not accept that this is open, so let's check it out. Oh, look at what? Bro, look at that presentation. Presentation is everything. Let's get this out. So here's the Open. Look at that camera lens. We'll come back to that. Put that on the side. But let's see what else you get in here. Man, they give you a charging brick? No way. You have a charging brick in here. What else do you have in here? It's like Christmas. Let's move this to the side for a minute. Let's see what else I have in here. They give you a case too. So you get a case with it. I mean, it's a simple case though, but it will protect the back of it. I mean, it's not heavy duty or anything, but it is a case. I did get the Voyage black color. So you also have your charging cable here. It's type A to type C. And then you get some books and stuff, membership cards, safety guides, trolling stickers, and a SIM card slot remover there. Man, bam. So this unboxing is more than just a plain thing with nothing in there. You actually get, I mean, look, I got goodies this time. I actually got some goodies in there, and the phone too. So some goodies in there. Let's make sure nothing else is in that box. So nothing else is in the box. I might put this right here. It looks too big. All right, so y'all didn't come for the case. Y'all didn't come for none of this stuff, but it's there. Charging, look, charging brick, y'all. Charging brick in 2023. But here's what we came for. It feels pretty light. I mean, not bad at all. I did pick up, like I said, the Voyager black. It has like the vegan fake leather here. Ooh. Oh my goodness. I like that feel. It is not going to track fingerprints, but this is, let's see, definitely lighter than my Z Fold 5. Man. Okay, look at it. Bam. And then there's the lineup there. If you want that lineup, you can have it. But enough about these other ones. Here is this. So you have 3 cameras in the back. You have a flash. I guess they couldn't put it in there. It's Hasselblad cameras there. Oh, okay. So it snaps open, that hinge. Look at it. It's closed too. There's no gap there as far as, it's even closed more than the Z Fold 5. It really feels like you, and look at that screen too. Let's turn this thing on. I'm fanboying right now. Let's see if we have some power. But let's go over the phone too while it starts up. That front screen that you see right there is a 6.31 inch screen. It's an AMOLED panel. It's 2K. It goes up to 120 hertz refresh rate, which is great. Now, when you open it up, you also have a 7.82 inch 2K AMOLED panel, up to 120 hertz refresh rate. I mean, look at it. Bam. So they did their own thing for the first time here. Now, they do have a little cheat code. Let's be honest. They do have a little cheat code called Oppo that they can lean on, which they probably did to lean on there. But I like the design, just the feel of this phone, y'all. That front camera is a 20 megapixel camera. Shoots up to 4K at 30. But I don't think I will ever use that camera because you have these cameras back here. Plus the camera up here is also a 32 megapixel shooter. The cameras back there, you have 3 different shooters back there. You have the 48 megapixel Sony sensor back there. It's a new Sony sensor. We'll try it out. It's supposed to be pretty good for the cameras on this OnePlus Open. Also, you have a 64 megapixel telephoto lens and then also a 48 megapixel ultra wide. They can shoot up to 4K at 60 frames per second. We will definitely test out the cameras on the Fold. I will probably put it against, this one here. These are the two comparisons that I know people want to see when it comes out to cameras and just overall comparison. It does have Android 13 on it. It also comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, so it has a good processor in there. So you should get pretty good battery life or great battery life. You should get good cameras, good software experiences, good overall experiences with the phone with that Snapdragon in there. 16 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of storage. It has a 4,805 milliamp hour battery, 67 watt fast charging. So you are going to charge this quicker than anything else that you could ever do with this phone or even the S23 Ultra or anything like that. So fast charging is a win. Now, where a lot of people were giving OnePlus a lot of hate on is that it doesn't have wireless charging. Is that a deal breaker for y'all? Is wireless charging a deal breaker for y'all? For me, no. I don't even use it. I don't have a wireless charger. The only one I have is the one I use for my videos, and I don't use that one normally. So wireless charging for me is not a deal breaker, but I know a lot of people it is. Let's go over the phone too. So you have the power button, the volume rockers there. You have the alert slider, which is back. You also have the SIM card slot, USB charging port there, type C, microphone, microphone speakers there. You also have a mic there. Up at the top, you have a couple mics and then speakers there too. Look how thin the sides are, man. Like compared, it is thinner than this Fold 5 too. It feels so light, y'all. I wish I had, I wish you could feel what I'm feeling on there. This phone feels really light for a folding phone. It really does. And I love the vegan leather here. Man, I am. And then just opening it, it does have a little spring to it. So when you get to a certain point, it's going to just snap open. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. We'll find that out. But what I'm going to want to do now is pause it. I'm going to put my SIM card in here, go use it for a little bit, and we can definitely try it out and just give y'all my first impressions about it. But look at the hinge too. The hinge is supposed to be, new technology. Doesn't have as many parts in there, and it's supposed to be keeping the dust out. It does have water resistance on here. Not like you can go take a bath with it, but splash resistance on there too. So let me pause the video. I come back and I can go ahead and give you my first impressions with the phone once I put my SIM card in there. I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, everyone, so I'm back. I've been using it for a little bit now. I was able to set it up. It is still downloading some of my apps, and I'm still trying to figure out some of these things on here. But man, this phone is really great. I can't wait to keep on using it. I am excited to bring it to y'all. Please let me know what other videos you want to see from this device for me. I will make them. I'll try to make everything that y'all want to see on here. But a couple things is that I mentioned it before. It is definitely lighter than my Z Fold 5. I think this weighs like 236 grams, where the Z Fold 5 is like 260 something, 250 something. So it's definitely lighter. But the main thing I noticed is feels so much thinner than the Z Fold 5. Let's try this out. I mean, it is thinner. Look, you can see there that this phone is thinner, and maybe because it feels lighter, it makes it even feel thinner than what it is. But that's the things I noticed. The fingerprint scanner works really good. The face unlock is really quick too on here. I lied, the fingerprint scanner was working quick. There you go. And the face unlock is super quick too so far. The software experience has been quick. I mean, it's smooth. The screen looks great. I watched a little YouTube on here already. It seems really good. So I'm excited. The main thing that you want to test out is the cameras on here. I know the cameras are going to be a big thing. The one thing I want to mention, if you never had a OnePlus before, getting used to Oxygen OS. It's very similar to Color OS, which is on the Oppo phone. Getting used to that, you can see the Apple iOS influence that they have on their software. And if you never used it before, it does take some time to get used to. But I'm going to dig into this phone a little bit more. Again, y'all let me know what you want to see from me on this phone. Like I said earlier, I will try to make it. I'm really excited to get into it and try out the cameras and definitely put it against this bad boy right here. But if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the OnePlus Open phone, plus any other phones you see on this table, including this one here. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.